Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to forget Wi-Fi network on OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your OPPO Reno 7 5G. In settings, okay, go to Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi, okay, you can see the Wi-Fi network is connected to this device. And okay guys, for my example, so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to forget this Wi-Fi network connected to your mobile device or OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the mobile network connected to your device, and after you tap, okay, here you can see the remove network, and okay, you'll have to do is tap the remove this network button, and the pop-up are shown. Now here you can see the remove Wi-Fi network, and the Wi-Fi network name is shown on this pop-up. And okay, this phone will no longer connect to this network automatically. You may need to enter the password when connecting again. And okay guys, to forget the Wi-Fi or to remove this Wi-Fi network to your OPPO Reno 7 5G, okay, you'll have to do is tap the remove button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed or forget the Wi-Fi network on this OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.